She likes it. Good job, Ella. Now that she realizes you're not supposed to eat it. Good job. Good job. Here, Mama, help. Okay, now get it. Get it. Yeah, you got it.
Yucky.
Good job.
All slimy.
Whoops. Okay, get that one. Here. Get that big chunk in there. Get that big chunk. You got it? Good job. It's almost the same color as your hair. Yeah. Okay, here. Good baby. Clean that pumpkin. Well, that's Mama's food.